Have you ever wondered why some Nigerians keep growing their wealth, while others only save money in the bank? Many people think investing begins and ends with buying shares like MTN or GTCO. But the truth is this: Nigeria has several financial markets where trillions of naira are exchanged every year. So here is the shocking part. Most Nigerians have never heard about markets like the FMDQ, NASD, AFEX, or the Lagos Commodities and Future Exchange. Yes, these markets help banks, governments, companies, farmers, and professional investors create wealth every day. In this video, I will simplify the entire Nigerian financial market so that anyone, whether you are a student, salary earner, entrepreneur, or retiree, can understand where money flows and how people make money and how you too can participate legally. So let's get started. And if you are new here, welcome to Money Mindset with Ima. I am Immaculata, a certified financial advisor. I help Nigerians understand investing, master their money, and build long-term wealth. If you want simple, practical lessons on the Nigerian stock market, personal finance, and smart investment opportunities, then you are in the right place. Hit that subscribe button and turn your bell notification so you never miss any money updates. Thank you for doing it. One mistake many people make is thinking that every financial market in Nigeria is regulated by only the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC. That is not correct. Nigeria's financial market has two major regulators. The first is the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC. The SEC regulates the capital market. Their responsibility is to protect investors and regulate investments like the stocks, bonds, mutual funds, ETFs, REITs, Commodities Exchange, and public securities. Second regulator is Central Bank of Nigeria, CBN. The CBN regulates the banking system, the money markets, payment systems, and monetary policy. It supervises banks and other financial institutions and influences interest rates and liquidity in the economy. So think of it this way. The SEC regulates investments and securities. The CBN regulates banks, money creation, and monetary stability. The two institutions work together, but they have different responsibilities. So next is the financial market. So what is financial market? Imagine wholesale market in Abuja. People go there to buy and sell clothes, food, and electronics. A financial market works the same way. So the only difference is that instead of buying tomatoes, shoes, or clothes, people buy and sell financial assets. These assets can be shares, bonds, treasury bills, commercial papers, commodities, foreign exchange, and many more. So now, let's look at each market. Market number one, the Nigerian exchange, that is NGX. Their primary regulator is SEC. This is Nigerian stock exchange, and it is where companies raise long-term capital from investors. So instead of companies borrowing money from banks, these companies sell ownership to the public. The ownership is called shares or stocks. Examples include MTN Nigeria, GTCO, Zenith Bank, Dangote Cement, Bua Foods, and many more. The products traded in this market are called ordinary shares, preference shares, exchange-traded funds, real estate investment trusts, corporate bonds, federal government bonds listed on the exchange, green bonds, sukuk bonds, and so on. Now, how does investors make money in this market? Number one, they make money through the price of shares. When the price of shares increases over time, they will buy low and then they will sell it high. Then the second way they make money is the companies pay dividends to them. When the company make profit, they will share the dividends among all their shareholders. That means you can earn income while still owning your shares. So who should invest in this market? Anyone building long-term wealth. Young professionals, business owners, parents, students who want to start early, they should invest in this market. Market number two is called NASD OTC Securities Exchange. Their primary regulator is SEC. NAS stands for National Association of Securities Dealers Over-the-Counter Market. Think of NAS as the market for public companies that are not listed on the NGX. These companies are still public, but their shares trade over the counter instead of on the Nigerian exchange. The products traded here are shares of unlisted public companies. How investors make money in this market is that if the company grows, the share price will increase. Some companies will also pay dividends on this market. The risk in this market is that liquidity is always lower than what NGX has. And it may take long for you to see a buyer or see a seller. The opportunities in this market is that some investors will buy before the company eventually lists on the NGX. So by then you have made money. So market number 3, AFEX Commodities Exchange. The primary regulator is SEC. AFEX is one of Nigeria's commodities exchanges. Instead of trading shares, people trade agricultural commodities. Products like maize, soybeans, paddy rice, sorghum, sesame, cocoa, these are all agricultural products that people trade. Commodity-backed investment. So how people make money in this commodity market? By buying commodities when prices are low. That is how they make money. When prices of all these products are low, you buy them. You sell them when demand increases, because then the prices will go up. Farmers also benefit by storing product instead of what? Selling immediately after harvest. Market number 4 is called Lagos Commodities and Future Exchange. Their primary regulator is SEC. This exchange connects farmers, manufacturers, exporters, and investors. It also allows trading in future contracts. The products in this market is agricultural commodities, solid minerals, energy products, warehouse receipts. These are the products in this market. Then future contracts. Why is this market important? Businesses can lock in prices today for future delivery. This reduces uncertainty and protects against price fluctuation. You see how beautiful this market is. Number 5 is FMDQ Securities Exchange. Now, this is where many people get confused. FMDQ operates Nigeria's wholesale financial market. It provides the platform where banks, dealers, government, and institutional investors trade fixed income securities, foreign exchange, and related instruments. Its activities involve both SEC regulated securities and also CBN regulated money and FX. The product traded here is Treasury Bills, federal government bonds, corporate bonds, commercial papers, money market instruments, foreign exchange, repos, money market fund settlement activities. Now, who this market is for? You will see people like the banks, pension funds, insurance companies, fund managers, large companies, foreign investors. You will see all these people in this market. So how does investors make money in this market? Government borrows money and pays interest on those monies. Companies borrow money and pay interest. Banks buy and sell this instrument every day. Retail investors usually participate through what? Licensed stockbrokers, fund managers, investment advisors, and mutual funds rather than trading directly. You see why if you see somebody like me meet you to say, come and invest, this is why I meet you. What is the difference between the SEC and the CBN? Some people might ask this question. Then let me simplify it for you. If you are investing to build wealth over the medium or long term through stocks, bonds, mutual funds, ETFs, or commodities, you are mostly operating within the SEC-regulated capital markets. That is what you are doing. If you are dealing with banking services like opening savings accounts, bank loan, fixed deposit, payment, or the implementation of monetary policy, you are dealing with institutions regulated by the CBN. So in simple terms, the SEC protects investors. The CBN protects the financial system and manages the nation's money supply. That is what CBN does. So both of them are essential to a healthy economy. So now you may ask, how can ordinary Nigerian participate? So you don't need millions of naira to participate in this market. You need knowledge first, and that is why I'm giving out this knowledge to you. You can actually open an account with a SEC licensed stockbroker to buy shares on the NGX. Invest in mutual funds managed by SEC licensed fund managers. Buy federal government bonds and treasury bills through licensed investment firms or banks, depending on the product you're purchasing. Invest in commodity-based opportunities through licensed commodity market participants. So always verify that the company or advisor you are dealing with is licensed by the appropriate regulator. So many Nigerians spend years working hard for money, but the world they make money work for them. So the Nigerian financial market is much bigger than you just buying shares. It includes the stock market, the bond market, the money market, the commodities market, the over-the-counter market. So each one offers different opportunities. Each one offers different opportunities. different risks, and different ways to build wealth. So the earlier you understand how these markets work, the better your financial decision will be. If you found this video valuable, then hit that subscribe button. Subscribe to Money Mindset with Ima. Like this video, share it with someone who thinks investing is only for the rich. And remember this, money has a mindset. The more you learn, the more wisely you invest. Thank you for watching. Bye.